The only way you could be clicking on this video right now is if you don't have AI inside your chat yet. But that can't be the reason, right? It's everywhere. Why wouldn't you have it? I guess I'll show you how to do it real quick. Come on, let me show you how to do it real quick. We don't got all day. You got stuff to do, I got stuff to do. We here. I should move because I'm kind of sort of in the way. Right here though, right behind me though, place you can't see though. I'm about to move though. Yeah, right there. You see that right there? Everything perspective. This is weird. Add new command. Boom. Right here, variables. Let's click that real quick. What's this right here? Look at that. That's new. That's crazy. Warning, AI variable is currently in beta and may be subject to changes. It's not finished yet, but it's here. If you want to use it, it's there. Heed the warning. Anyway, listen, what you do is you take this right here, boom, copy it, you make a command, AI stuff. And we're gonna go boom. The thing that we're gonna ask it to do, we're just gonna throw it right in between the asterisks. Ain't that what it's called? Asterisks. Anytime somebody run AI stuff, it's gonna be like, what is new with AI these days? That's what it's gonna ask you. All right. What it's gonna do is gonna say it. Who can do it? Everyone. We can go to advanced settings, user cooldown. I'm gonna hit you up for about 300 seconds. You gotta wait at least 5 minutes. You're not about to. I hate spammy commands. I hate them, bro. Global cooldown. It can stay 10. It can stay 10. Somebody else can use it. It's cool. We ain't gonna worry about anything else. We ain't gonna worry about it. Activate the command. Boom. It's activated. We need the chat. Ba boom boom. Bammy bammy boom. Ba boom ba bam bow bow. We in the chat. We gonna run the command. What was the command? AI stuff. I never put the command sign thing. AI stuff. Boom, run it. AI.
AI's out here doing wild things, like GBT, 5 rumors, totally breaking the internet, keeping your hype pets. What are you talking about? Hype pets on elite profanes, the future looking shiny.
What did all that mean? I really don't know.
It works. So all you need to do is take this and you put whatever you want in the middle. You make as many of those as you want. AI this, AI that. Like this one, AI help. How can I help improve the stream? You feel me? Good to go. You can run that. AI fact. Or blah, 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 blah. Use it how you feel it. Do what you do. It's here. We got StreamElements. We got AI. We're good to go. Nobody's chat should be boring anymore. You can get creative as you feel. You can do what you do now. We got AI in the chat. I mean, AI already had their own channels and stuff, but now they like really in the chat. This is crazy. Who knows how long it's gonna be around? Y'all gonna get weird with this. They gonna have to take it down and then we gonna see what happens. But you know, whatever.